Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a quick and easy guide on how to send a draft in Gmail, updated for the latest version of the app. If you've saved an email as a draft but haven't sent it yet, this is the exact process to get it moving in just a few taps. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to the account where your draft is saved. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon that's the 3 horizontal lines, usually found in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it, and from the list of options, select Drafts. This section holds all the emails you've started and saved, but haven't sent yet. Next, scroll through and find the draft email you want to send. Tap on it to open. You'll now see the email exactly as you left it last time, ready for you to review. Take a moment to read it through carefully. Check for any wording you might want to update, fix typos, or add any missing information. This is your chance to make sure the message is perfect before sending. Once you're happy with your changes, it's time to send it. Look to the top right corner of the screen, and you'll see the send icon. It's shaped like a small paper airplane. Tap it, and your email will be sent instantly to the recipient. And that's it. Your draft is now a sent email. This simple process ensures you can pick up right where you left off without having to start from scratch. Whether you're replying to a work message, following up with a friend, or sending important details, drafts in Gmail make it easy to keep your emails organized and ready to go. If you often save drafts, this quick method is worth remembering. Open Gmail, go to Drafts, Review, Edit, and Send. Fast, simple, and done in seconds. Now you can keep your communication flowing without missing a beat.